in this instance, about 40% of the total cost of the installation will come back to us as a tax credit in this first year. We've gotten back almost half the cost already by way of tax savings, which for any small business like ours, you want to save as much tax as possible. And we've got an installation that for our foreign tour operators, because that's 75% of our business, most of our European and American clients love the idea of sustainable energy. It was a highly professional job. I have no hesitation in recommending your services to any company that comes along. So well done, and well done for putting up with all of our difficulties and demands as a client. So we appreciate your support.
Thank you very much, Paul.
Okay.